Today we're going to introduce some of the cool stuff that MIPAV can do to analyze and visualize the medical images. So if you Google MIPAV, and you will see their website. MIPAV stands for Medical Image Processing Analysis and Visualization. To download the software, just click download and fill in some of the forms, and you can download the install MIPAV.exe file. So here we have the latest version 5.3.4 open. Before you load any image files, the first important step to check is your memory allocation. So notice there's a red square on the toolbar here, shows memory 55 megabytes / 958 megabytes. So this means you're currently using 55 megabytes and you have total of 958 megabytes for this software to allocate. So if you want to change your memory allocation, just go to Help, Memory Allocation, and you can type in the maximum number of memory you want to allocate. For example, we just keep it 1 gigabyte and click OK. And the software needs to restart to change its memory allocation. Okay, so without any image files open, the Java-based software itself will at least use 35 megabytes. So usually they recommend that you multiply your image file size by 10, and that's about the additional memory you will need to use in your analysis. So if you want to check for every time how much memory you're using in detail, again go to Help, Memory Usage, and there will be a plot showing the ratio of your memory usage, and it's updating every 1 second. You can manually free your memory use by clicking this button, and to freeze like redundant memory when you're applying other functions. An easy way to free memory is just click this recycle button, and we see that the memory part of the memory is free. Okay, so now let's load some images. We go to File, Open Image from Disk, and go to whatever directory you store your image. So we usually use the .ini file. You can click let's open this FLIR image. By the way, we download some public datasets as an illustration. So okay, so now we have this image open. So under image window title, you can see some of the basic information about the name of the file and the number of slices. Now currently it's the 287 slices. In total there are 575 slices, and also the magnification level 0.5. Okay, so you can drag this bar to let the image go from one slice to the next. By this, you will view the Excel slices one by one and see the whole brain. If you put your mouse on the file and left click it and move around the images, it will give you the location of each point you're pointing to, and also on this bar there are intensities of that location and coordinates X coordinates and Y coordinates. You can zoom your images by going to Image, Zoom. It's like zoom in and make it smaller, make it bigger. And if you want to know some detailed information about this file, again go to Image, Attributes, View Headers, and this dialog box will give you the number of dimensions, its minimum, maximum, intensity value, modality, and coordinates, location, all kinds of information you might want to learn about this image file. You can open multiple images and they will show in separate windows. Oops. Okay. If you click this image, you can have some operation on this image, and then click this one, you will do all your analysis on this window. Notice that you're currently using 500 megabytes, and make sure you always keep an eye on the memory usage, which is kind of important.